Good afternoon, boys and girls, and welcome back. Today, we're going to be doing math, which is counting our numbers. And we're going to be learning about, this week, we're going to be learning about the number line. So what numbers come next? And what numbers come before? So what number comes before 8? 7. And what number comes after 5? 6. So that's how we do our number line. So let's talk about what we're going to be learning about this week. So this week, we're going to be talking about number sequence. On Monday, we're going to learn about what number comes next, or addition problems. On Tuesday, we're going to review the number line. On Wednesday, we're going to talk about what number comes before or after, or subtraction problems. Then on Thursday, we're going to be doing +1 addition. What comes next? +1. What happens when we add 1? We go to the next number. And then on Friday, we have specials, which are music, art, and PE with your specials teacher in our Google Classroom. So you ready to get started? Are you ready? Let's share our math presentation. Welcome back. It is math time. And before we read our book, we are going to be doing some adding. Oh, sorry about that. Hold on one second. Playlist. Oops. Gotta go back one. Move along, children's songs to take your brain and body strong. Addition, action, this is how you play. Move your body and add this way. When you add things together, you get a sum. When you add things together, you get a sum. One jet plane is flying in the sky. 2 more jet planes come flying by its side. How many are there? Are flying in the sky. 1 plus 2 equals 3. 2 race horses are galloping round the track. 2 more race horses are coming up fast. How many race horses are galloping round the track? 2 plus 2 equals 4. 4. 3 brown snakes are slithering. Move your bodies while you're adding. 2 more brown snakes come slithering without a sound. How many snakes do you see? On the ground? 3 this is where that supervising skill we learned last week comes in handy. Seven. What happens when we add 1? How many brave soldiers are marching in a line? 7 plus 1 equals 8. Addition, action, this is how you play. Move your body and add this way. When you add them together, you get a sum. Let's do addition. Move and have fun. Move and have fun. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. All right, so our story today is going to be about addition. The mission of addition. The mission of addition. What do you think the mission of addition is? So it's time to read our book,
Come with me. It's time to read a book. Come and see. It's time to read a book. It's time to read a book. It's time to read a book. Come with Miss Trisha. So the title of our book is, as you can see on the screen, The Mission of Addition. The author is Brian Cleary, and we know that the author writes the words. And the illustrator draws the pictures. And the illustration is done by Brian Gamble. The team behind Words Are Categorical offers their first math book through playful rhymes. It exclaims basic concepts such as addition. And here is our dedication page or the love page. And this is to my brother Mike because he's the numbers guy in our family. And addition is combining two or more numbers to come up with their total. Addition is kind of like counting. Adding is growing the total of things, like bubbles in a bathtub or bright shiny rings. 6 yellow buses were parked in a line. 3 pulled behind them, and then there were 9. So as you can see, look on our number line. If we have 6, and then we move forward 3 spots, 1, 2, 3, that gets to our total, which equals 9. So that's how addition works with the number line. Along came 4 more. So we got to start at 9. And then count 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and that equals 13. If you got that right, you are an adding machine. To add is to make bigger a total number of whatever you are counting, like baseballs in a glove. 7 batters plus 2 more make 9 when they are added. Oh, goodness. Miss Trisha had to sneeze. The number just gets bigger with each one who has batted. So there we have the number 7 there, and then added 2, it went to 9. No amount gets smaller when you're working in addition. The numbers climb from low to high because that's addition's mission. The Johnsons had one babysitter. Gretchen was her name. She cried, help! So number 2, Mrs. Higginbottom came. 3rd came Miss Clinklehorn, and 4th was Miss Stein. So far, this made 4 who tried to keep them all in line. 5th was Caton McNamee, and 6th was Mr. Lee. And 4 more totaled 10, and all to watch that crew of 3. So they had 6 babysitters, and then they had to add 4 more. So you count 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that means now they have 10 babysitters, but there was only 3 children. You see, to add means to increase. It's a way of showing more, whether counting babysitters or breadcrumbs on the floor. Plus can be used just like and. It helps when we count, combining all the numbers till we get the full amount. Equals can be used like is or totals even makes. It doesn't matter if you're adding friends or birthday cakes. So let's write our number equation that we see on the screen there. We see 3, there's the plus sign, 2, and the equal sign. So that means 3 candles and 2 candles equals 5 candles. Good job, friends. So if a hen lays 7 eggs plus 3 plus 4 plus 10, oh my goodness, my number line is too small for that then. There's been one exhausted hen. And counting the musicians in a marching band at school, you add up all the players from each group. Just look, it's cool. 9 are playing trumpet and 3 playing trombone. 2 more jam on flugelhorn and 6 on the saxophone. But I think my number line is big enough for that. So if we have 9 and then we add 3. 1, 2, 3, that means 12. And then we add 2 more, 13, 14. And then we add 6 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means there's 20 people in the marching band. So 9 plus 3 plus 2 plus 6, that's 20 horns. But wait, when you add 6 bass drummers in, that equals 28. So when it comes to counting, don't worry, fret, or fuss. You'll find that knowing how to add is pretty much a plus. So what is addition? Do you know? Let's start our quiz and see if we know what addition is. What is the answer to addition called? Is it the product, the sum, the difference, or the sum, S-U-M? So the difference would be subtraction. Sum is not a math word. Product, you don't know this, but that's a word for multiplication. So let's rule it out and put sum. And we got it correct. Oh my goodness, 45 plus 23. And Miss Tricia knows this in her head very fast. And you'll learn how to do this one day too. 68. 56 plus 36. That's a hard one, but I think it's 92. Oh my goodness, 100, 100 plus 30 plus 30 plus 2 plus 2. But 2 plus 2 is 4, and 30 plus 30 is 60. So we got 64, and then 2 100s is 264. See how I did that, friends? That quiz was kind of hard. Luckily, there was only 4 questions. So let's finish our book. Good job. All right, now Miss Tricia wants to show the moms and dads some activities on happy numbers. This is solve one equation based on the model. So we are going to start. This is not the one that I want. Sorry, guys. Thought I was all ready. Some of the work we're doing during distant learning is helping you get ready for kindergarten. So some of it is going to be getting harder and harder because we're getting ready for kindergarten. So this is on happy numbers, determining the total after one more is added to a set of identical objects, part 1. So how many birds do you see? We see 1 bird. Now, what happens if we add 1? 1 more. How many birds now? 2. 2. So we had 2 birds and we added 1 more, and that equals 3 birds. So this is a great way to practice on the Happy Numbers website. And then there's also ABC Ya that I told you guys about last week has different activities for addition also that you can do. And these are your assignments, just to go and try these out. Marble math. So the fun part about this is you can go 1, 2, and then 1. Why did I do that? 1, 2, plus 1. And then you guys can count. 1, 2, 3. How many is 2 plus 0? Oops, I got it wrong. So 2 plus 0 equals 2. So then we have 2, 1, 2 plus 1 equals 3. So then we put 1 here and put 1 here. And how many is that together? 2. Then we have 1 plus 0 equals 1. So we have 2 and 1. How many does that equal all together? 3. And we're getting a little harder as we keep going. 2, pick which colors you want. 1, 2, 3. And how many all together? 5. We have 1, and then 1, 2, 3 equals 4. Then we have 1 plus 0 equals 1. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 3, 4. So 1 plus 4 equals 5 all together. We know that equals 1. It looks like we got them all right. 100%. So then you guys can go to the next level and do level 2. So those are just some things to do together on your website. The other thing that you can do for your assignment today, one second. So that's happynumbers.com, which everybody has set up with a account at the beginning of this distant learning. And then also at www.abcya.com. And today for your Google Classroom assignment, record your child counting their snack. Line up 10 Cheerios or crackers or fruit slices and take a video of your child counting, pointing at each piece as they count. Upload the video to Classroom. And what you can do with that also is you can do some addition and add them up. So like you could play a game out of it. If I have 2 bugs and I add 1 grasshopper, how many bugs do I have all together? 3. I have 3. If I have 3 bugs and I add 2 more, how many bugs I have all together? And then I can use my number line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bugs. If I have 5 bugs and I add 1 more, that equals 6. If I have 3 bugs and I add 3 more bugs, that equals 6. And then you can also practice, another way you can practice is writing your addition problems. 3 plus 2 equals 5. So lots of great ways and things to do at home. I hope to see you guys taking your videos of you guys learning new things and pictures. If you do a math worksheet like this with your students, then take a picture and send it over to me or post it below this assignment. And I look forward to seeing all the good work that you guys are doing. I'm so proud of you as we get ready for kindergarten in this distant learning world. I'll see you again tomorrow.